Hauji Maroiba Pausing. Thawasi Loiba Naibana Solar Energy Damiyang Thambagi Tangai for the Lady Haina Governor Dr. Nazma Heptulana Fongdukre. Kana Tomadagi Nupamasama Lake Hidre, Senaba driver Padi Haiduna Kaksinga Achoba Irang Tokre. Amadi Social Welfare Department of Piba all as pencil Maumar Tadre, say Sami Helabin Nupiama pension Piram the Batinare. Kurumjare ISTV Pauming Tabirba Mutaram Nokchare, Hausima Punga Pau. Thawasi Loiba Naibana Solar Energy Damiyang Thambagi Tangai for the Lady Haina, Governor Dr. Nazma Heptulana Fongdukre. Wapuma Singa say Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas Government of India Gimiyang Makada, Public Sector Oil and Gas Companies na Manipur State Amadi Petroleum Conservation Research Association Gapuna Kusam Naraga, Saksham 2018 Haudopagi Thoram da Fongdukibani. Thama chumna pangtoka da bathoram ase hawdopagi thoram da Commerce and Industries ki Principal Secretary PY Consumer Affairs ki Commissioner K Radha Kumar amadi State Level Coordinator Manipur SI Singh Susaruk Gyake Governor na makata na phunglo kibada India si sada kullom thau gas amadi energy phangbana atay lebak tagi darkar leba sing lori masina lebak ki sel thum hena charging tohonna ba maram oide nomu nomagi gari masing hengalakpana thau sijina bagi changsu adumak hengalakle maram masina Pumnamaksi Yenglaga, Hauziki Matamda, solar energy, Yamnamak Darkar Oide Haike. Nakalamarumda, oil and gas conserve Tobagi Hainabi Thamse, Ta Amachupna Pangtok Liba, Sanrakshan Samata Mahotsav, Saksham 2018 campaign, Nasidagi Hauribasi, Yamna Kanab Oigan Haike.
All of us can contribute to the efforts towards self-sufficiency in petroleum sector and also to the efforts of environment protection by following a very little conservation activity in our day-to-day life. More and more could also be encouraged to use public transport in our country where there is overwhelming number of vehicles. Such self-discipline in domestic sector using only high efficiency ISI approved gas or kerosene stoves, using pressure cooker to cook, faster and safe fuel.
Tungda campaign asigi sarukam oina pangthok ba district level gi quiz competition gi best performance award yentoke loina na mahiroi singi oiba walk rally amasu governor na lamthake. Ngarang namidang pung tara makhairom tabada Kakching Police Station gi manung chanalaiba Imphal More lambi gi haikak pupi power substation mapada Maruti Swift car registration number MN06 LA0469 na thomadagi nupamasa ama laikidre senaba gari khanglaba fawba matam sana driver phaba ngamde haiduna miyamna irang horpadagi Kakching da police amadi miyamgi marakta akanba khut thokna khre Irang Lakshina Naba Honabada Police na tear gas masing kangdana kapke. Laiki Drabanu Pamasa Aduki Maming na Kumukcham Jetli sa Itarani Pal Apokpa Mangi Kakching Murang Temnikay Dagini. Ngarang numidang mamanaba amaga gari masa Tauraga Kurao Popida Chatlubagi Halakpada Makoy na Taurakpa gari masa adu yaki dabadagi. Illaga Kong na salingay da Imphal dagi Sandal Tamna Lakpa kar aduna Thombadagi Kudak Laiki Dabani Hairi. Taudo da Chenari Bakar adudi Lambigi Nakal da yung Sinduna Lerambadagi Police na Lokat Kre Adubu Gari adu Taurakpa Mir adudi House Fawa Padana lay Haibadagi Koshang Narbamiam na Irang Hor Kibani. Koisang Narbamiam aduna Kakching Mapada, Kakching Sugnu Lambi Tingzin K. Police ki Maike Dagi Senabasing Pana Nabahonari Haina Miam the Tazaba Piki Adumakpo, Sab Saba Tabak Lokati Haina Irang Hor Padagi Police na control Tongnaba, tear gas cell Amadi Mok Bomb Kaptuna Miam Adutan Kai K. Ngarang numidang pung tara helaba fawba police amasung miyam gi marakta mukna bathoke thawdo aduda miyoy kaya sopan nang ke khara amana police na fajin crate loina na police ki gari singchu akai atoi yauke thawdok thokham da deputy commissioner Kakching Nailen Thang Telian Laktuna yengsin ke loina na ngarang numidang dagi hauraga Kakching municipal council na konbam fam singda CRPC gi dhara chamani phu mari gi athingba thamle haike Social Welfare Department na aloirba singda piba all as pencil mawang maril tadre sa isa mahelabi nupi ama pension piramdaba Senapati district thengnare hiramasta report ama
aina hojik leiraba mafam se Senapati district ki Phaibung Khuno haraga khangnaba adungba pamai jati na khundaba khulladuni hairiba khulasi maramdagi awang nongpokta kilometer 53 rom changaga leiba apunma misingna 1900 rom leiba khullamani Hena puning chingsingai oiribadi khullasida leibi saniro pamai kobi chahi cham helbi nupi ama state ki old age pension pibi dabada natana Indira Gandhi National Widow
Ising yang wala aduna ngasi yang nisina ising gidamon matimpa biyo hana nisindare
Kunja singya pambagi manungda junior high school ama thambiba primary health center ama lingkhat pasu amane is daso pamaina awada passing asi mention biyo haina mari leinaba sing puning chingsilakdi
60 years thoklaga all pencil pigane haiba asida hauze phauba masisu suna pidaduna adum lare aduna madu gimatang dasu government na yembirabadi yamna tagajagni aduna education gi matam dasu hauze phauba asi UGB school khakta laibine aikoina lare tamge harabasu imphal da sanapati da chapa asi khudong cha da banina yariba makhai asi upgraded tabiraga junior high school kumba thambirabadi yamna thagajagani haina aina phongdokjare
hairiba khulase ngasi phawa Manipur gi kachin koya thungna chatle hariba media person singna ngasi phabu yodri ngasi laiba electronic media gi team masina khulase da lakpa ahan ma thodo amasu oiri ISTV news gi tamak pawdam jariba Richard Ranjan Phaibung Khuno Senapati district
Ngarang numidang sakang daba singnai M sector da hand grenade langsinduna amadi IED pokai handuna landa khraba matungda ngasiyu angan bada M sector gi gate manungda pin salaba hand grenade amasu leiramle hairi Jairak sida Imphal city manungda bomb plant tawduna pokai halaga sinmi ama sokan khibagi thawongbu Mahut Minister TS Sham Kumar na yamna kanna yaningdaba phungdukre ngasi ma ki quarter da pangthokpa pawmi singa unabada ngarang bomb pokai handuna IMC gi sweeper ama sokan khibagi thawong adu miyoiba ama oiba wakhal khantaba ngamdaba mirak tindaba miyoina chatharambo oigani thawdogasi kanana karigi damakta chathakibano haiba miyamda khangangadabani haike maana makha taraduna sarkar gi maikeidagi misam soktanaba laukhatpa section thorang oina CCTV camera kudaktagi install tawba haure loinana police ki thabak thoram sing hena cancel halagani masida miyamna sumateng pangbiu haike
media ki thongda appeal tawi madudi siumba plan toriba mioi sing ase khwaidagi pangdaba mithimo mitamba mari leragadi apama mida attack toro engonda pamang se attack tobiro ai matam welcome tawe aduna tanda ma laitaba khurungi sara tanjariba amadi Manipur jati khudimaki imphal mai wori basida bomb plan tawduna koi sohalakpa amadi lepathi to thonba masi khwaidagi pangdaba praja miyam da beldo madudi imphal manung sida mayon sida sima phataba thabak torokpina koina city sibo sima khudong thiba thokdana honabada koi police department senal hujiti check toropada praja miyam cooperation PBU haidnai media thon appeal tawe
Garang thokiba bomb pokai bagi thawdokta sokhibi Raj Medicity dalayeng duna leidibi yen senbam Sovita Mahut ki Minister TS Sham Kumar ga unaduna sel gi tengbang pikre mak layeng bada changadaba selfam sing mahut department na putholagani layeng asida awat pa amata leitana layeng na ba hospital asigi authority da khangan ke loina na sel gi mateng wina lupa lising yangkai sobita gi mafam da kushin na ke ngasi ayu pung taren makhairom taba matamda Imphal West District ki manung chana leiriba loklaw bung thong mapada car amaga van amaga thengjinabadagi akai toy thokre gari tharakliba mioi animak aso open kharanang ki hari akai toy nanglaba van adu Unaco School khongmangi angang thindot thingjin tawbani hari adubu accident thok matamda school angang singdi tong ki de hari ngarang numidang Nagaland gi Jakhama mapada Scorpio gari ama lokhada onthaduna accident thokre hari gari adugi gari number na MN01K5569 ni registration number gi matungina number adu yumnam tombisna koba achan bigai awang laikai da leiba mi amagini hari adumakpu wahan car information gi matungina gari adu Asem Rahul koba mi amagi mingda lei hari gari adu thorakliba mi adugi Aadhaar card amadi atai mari leinaba che changi matungina Samurai Lakpam Pankaj Sharma Apokpa Saitabarta Sharma Thangweban Laurung Purel Laikai dagini hari mahak phibam thina sokpadagi manak nakpa hospital da pukatuna laikan naki hari Coordinating Body on Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur Thobal District Committee na Sinduna Salungpham High School da Maitai Mitaibu Indian Constitution gi Scheduled Tribe ki list da chalangadabani haibagi matangda miyamgi oiba khana nainaba mifam ama pangthokre thoram adu da Demand Committee gi convener Mutum Churamani amadi atai mioi kya su saruk kya ke haujiga tenba brem tolokjare
Imphal East, West, amadi Bisnupur District oina makhal khudingi apamba 2, 3 amasung 4 wheelers na chingbagi gari guarantor yaudana loan lawbiba yagani deposit tawba numita apamba gari su pangbigani pambiba miyoi singna unabiu Imphal Finance Head Office Moirangkhom Loklaubung Branch Offices Pauna International Market amasung Bisnupur Bazaar Bisnupur
Pinasia Coaching Center, the best and only trusted coaching center in Imphal.
Pinasia Coaching Center gi oja sing na exam gi sem saba matamda support tawbiki amasung mateng yamna pangbiki exam tips regular mock tests suggestions amasung study materials sing yamna janaki class 10 thagadaba sing na makok thongba oina bagidamaktadi Pinasia sing na amata ngaraba coaching center ni miyamna center sida thajaba thambi
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, Unaco School. Excellence in education.
Mama mapana machada piba ngamba khwaidagi chawba khudolsi ichabu mahi tamanbani. Slopeland Public School Khongjom, Northeast India da khwaidagi chawba amadi nanba boarding school ni. Slopeland Public School Khongjom da ngasimak admission tawbiduna ichabu mahi tamanbiu.
Sagolwan Morang Lerang Nepra Menjorta Liba, Ayush Wellness Center da well qualified doctors amadi staff singalonena makhal makha ke agilaina singlayeng jari lonena mafam machi community hall da lisingani traimpan gi January tang 23 na 38 bawa slim camp ama pangthok jagani akup marol ki demok makha ki number sida contact tobiu
break matung na myam taram nokchare makha ta pauda Central Agricultural University Kaugi Directorate of Extension Education Sinduna Chatharak Patlomi Singda Okloi Batambibagi Distance Education Certificate Course Manipur Medium Solution Cre Lomi Humbutaruna Sarukiaduna Chatharak Patha Hungi Oiba Training Program Lution Bagi Thoramda University Asigi Vice Chancellor Professor M. Premjit Director of Research Dr. C.M. Srinivas Murthy College of Agriculture Din J.M. Laishram College of Veterinary Science Aijolgi Din Dr. Lanmun Twanse Marna Maru Ibami Singwina Sarukiake. Thorongamari Lenana Vice Chancellor Premjit na Fungdo Kibada University Asina Potok Hengat Hananaba Amadi Apaba Mahiroi Putok Naba Takpi Tambi Bagi Matakta Lomi Singda Hakcheng Nana Tambi Bagi Tangai Fadabat Erekle Kanbadagi Training Asipang Tupani Lomi Singnasu Training Asidagi Panglak Pakana Basing Adu Ningtina Sinanaba Apple Toke.
Northeastern regions like 70% की मतलब like कोई लोमी कोई बनी ना लोमी सिंसी की income से हैगर हंसर यात्रे highway की ऐसा कि होता हमारा लाभ करने ना कोई मौजूद सुनने की classroom दा formal education की सिगी मतलब का तमाम तो program में आमा कोई local
Amaromda University asigi Students Advisory Council gi Marirak Subami from University asigi Conference Hall the Pangtokre. Taramaduda Vice Chancellor Professor Premjit, Director of Extension CA Srinivas Murthy, Professor T.H. Ranjit Susarukyake. Taramaduda Wangang Laduna Professor Premjit na University asigi Mahiroi Singna Thawai Yauna Amadi Kanna Honaduna, Lebaga Sigi University Pumbadagi Makok Thongba Oinaba Honasi Haike.
To be the Vice Chancellor of this university. Last year in 2017, the university we received about 7 awards, recognition. There's national recognitions or awards. Our students are very bright, not only getting academic achievements, they are also all-rounder. They perform well in, cultural activities, even games and sports also.
Sericulture Department Project Management Office Complex Sangai Partner Sinduna Beneficiary Empowerment Program Amadi Integrated Sericulture Development Program among Asdagi Department Asigi Conference Hall the Hokre Northeastern Region Textile Promotion Scheme Amadi Manipur Sericulture Project 1 gi Makada Paikakadaba Program Adu Audopagi Tharamda Sericulture gi Principal Secretary P.K. Singh Department Asigi Director Salam Kunjakishore Deputy Director C.S. Chandra Kumar Scientist Rita Luikam Amadi Scientist L. Bidyapatina Thormapu Singwike Taramaduda Wangang Laduna Director Salam Kunjakishona Department Asigi Oina Paisa Marang Kaina Lay Adubu Beneficiary Singna Tabak Ningtina Taudabana Paisa Kaitokpada Apan Oide Mamangda Paisa Tadaruraga Paisa Adu Karamna Sijinagani Kangdabana Lana Sijinabagi Pibam Amalakpadagi Paisa Pidringaida Paisa Singadu Karamna Sijinagadagi Haibadu Kanganaba Training Asi Pangtopani Haike Mana Makata Aduna Beneficiary Singna Su Guideline Dapi Ribasing Adu Ningtina Pangtopiu Haike Principal Secretary P.K. Singna Beneficiary Singna Thabak Ningthina Tawi Tawde Haibadu Khangnanaba District Level Officer Singda GPS Hapa Camera Amamam Piragani Masi Monitoring Amadi Evaluation Maru Oibadagini Mana Makataraduna February Thadagi Monitoring Amadi Evaluation Toba Horagani Maramasina Beneficiary Singda Lagliba Pesa Singasi Direct Yaunaba DVT System da Piragani Haike Amuram da Sericulture si Sakot Hansi Hyderabadi Department ki official sing yauna beneficiary singna su pukchil sengna thabak tawbu changi haike.
I promise that by 15th of January we will rectify this. I have not been able to succeed. I have been able to succeed only partially because I have told that 70% has been achieved so far. Yesterday or day before I have met DSOs of Imphal East, Thawal and Bishnupur where the targets are slightly less. I would once again urge the 3 DSOs to put extra effort. I will again review the matter on 31st of January and please come up to at least 90% level, if not 100%. For the remaining district, it should be 100% in the next 7 days. We have made a promise, we have to fulfill that. Otherwise, they will feel that these people just come to talk and go.
Wangkai ayang pali lay makaithel dagi hauraga naharup thong phawbagi lambida thariba koilas asi quality control tawdana Thai Haiduna Apun Balup Wangkai Ayang Pali Lay Makaitel Nangasi Ayuktagi Tabak Suba Tingjin Kre. Tabak Suba Tingbagi Kongjang Adu Koilas Taba Haugalak Pada Koilas Ningtina Hapta Padagi Kong na Taktat Pada Kai Bahorak Padagi Tingjin Kibani. Iramasigi Matang da Lubasigi Secretary Loremba Memana Fongurak Pada Matam Queen Dagi Lambiasi Sembi Dana Lakpani Adubu Local MLA na Semzin Birakpasi Yamna Tagali Adumapu Koilas Tarkumatam da Quality Yaudana Thaba Loinana Koilas Ki Sang Suwat Asina Maram Oiraga Lambiasi Matam Queen Chatloi Dabagi Pibam Adu Ubadagi Lambi Tingbagi Kongjang Sangshin Bani Lambiasi Sembi Ge Hairabadi Atopa Constituency Singda Semli Bagumna Ningtina Sembiu Maramdi Lambiasi Lamdam Adom da Lairiba Miyangi Lifeline Haike
Koilas Tabagi Matang Ji Europadadi Equina Lepal Jariji Maramdi Koilas maintain Tona Tabiu Havidi Kayam Pakadavano Kayam Tagadabano Sang Duyengaga Tabiu Kaigino da Sahi Lisang Sina Semakraba Lambian Amakak Oirakpanina Ekoi Lambian Jepazana Semaning Bagi Maram Nani Ketrigau Tariba Id Naharup Tariba Lambian Pukchak Lambi Id Gari Soba Man Puba Gari Dagi No Magi Cheliba Gari Mam say main road Amadagi Hen Salaba Lambianina Ekoi Karap Hazana Semona Bagida Makta Koina Tingjabani
Singjamai da Laiba Manipur College asi UGC na thadarakpa selfam kaya matam adugi principal na sijinabada financial irregularity khara leiki haiduna UGC na college asibu ing solisingani taramari da blacklist tawkibadagi college asigi maraibak tambang amdaba phibam amada lakle maramaduna UGC gi makhada pangthokadaba thabak thoram amadi workshop na chingba pangthokpa yadabadagi college asida UGC na piramba B grade makhata na piraktabagi oithokpa wangna leide iramasigi matangda mari leinaba authority na miyeng sangbina ba Kangleipak Students Association gi ISRD secretary na thadorokpa cherol amana khangalakle Autonomous District Council Tamenglonggi Chairman Lauthok Nabaga Mari Leinana Pangal Changyang Tauba House Test Pangthokre ADC Community Hall da Pangthokiba Thoram Aduda DC Armstrong Pame na preside tauke Loinana ADC Tamenglonggi Chief Executive Officer D Gangmai Susarugiyake Bot Thadana Duna Changyang Adu Pangthokpa Horappa Matamda NPF ki Executive Members sing amadi Hauzik Leiriba ADC gi Chairman Namsinrai Panmaibu support tauba miyoi singna nominee anibu bot thada hanba yahan kidababu yaningdaba phongdoktuna house taki mapan thoke adumapu presiding officer na makata na proceeding sathake paumwisingda wangang laduna DC Armstrong Pamena phongdokhibada court ki order matung ina nominee sing bot thadaba yade maramasina chairman gi supporter singna court ki order inana ba wafam thamke makata na hiramasigi matangda Manipur sarkar da khangan bagal loinana chap saba wayel ama sarkar na logjarak lagani haike Manipur da Kundalai tariba chingmi tami pumbagi nat ki loop amadi individual kaya yawba choba mifam ama hokiba January 18 da Airport Road ki changangai uche konda leiba anti theater gi hongnem sam play house da pangthokre Loinana culture gi apex body apun baluf ama semle haina cultural workers and activists forum Manipur gi convener na thadorok pachero mana khangalakle All Bisnupur District Working Journalists Union na Union na Sigi Vice President Oiriba Imphal Free Press ki District Correspondent Dr. Huidrom Roman Amadi Union Asigi Publicity Secretary Oiribi Taudang Pau Segi District Correspondent Ice Roni Balachanu Anina Tongan by Award Amadi Sana Khona Bada National ki Thakta Gold Medal Fanglakpada Harau Tayamba Phongdokpa Oina Makoi Anibu Taram na Opagi Thoram Ama Union Asina Sinduna Ngarang Nacho da Pangthokre Thoram Aduda Union gi President Samananda Maitei General Secretary A Kishan Kumar Amadi Ata Union gi Maru Oiba Thaupuba Kyasu Sarukyake Roni Bala Sanuna Mamang Sehigi December 13 tagi 18 Phauba Guwahati da Pangthokiba Ani Subai Annual National Martial Arts Games and Festival da Kickboxing Masanada Sanagi Medal Laurkibani Aduga Dr. Ice Romena in Solusingani Taratareta Indira Gandhi National Excellence Award 2017 Panglakiba Luinana Kung Fu Masanabu Saukanaba Honabada Thoidok Hendok Pathabak Tawagi All India Kung Fu Federation 2017 da All India Kung Fu Federation na introducing Taratareta Lifetime Achievement Award Panglakiba Adubu Sakangba Oina Union Asina Ikai Kumnabut Kibani Makoyani da Selgi Mana Oina Lupalising Manga Supiki Union gi President Samanandana Phongdorakpada District Asigi Oina Paugi Lamda Thabak Toriba Singna Asigumba Award Asi Panglakpa Asida Saktokchaningai ni District Asigi Leiriba Paumi Singna Achumba Pau Phongduna Awonba District Ama Puraknaba Honabada Paumi Singi Sauraba Thaudang Lei Maramasina Thawai Haksang Yauna Kathokpaga Loinana Honaminasi Haike
Dr. Romena Koyamna Sumba Kanaba Award Pangpa Lena I Wade Libiribi Igi Senopina Roniblana Yamna Wagi Nupima Tagi Matanda Suya Pamima Oina Lejaraga Haidoga Mana extra on the Tabaktor Basi Koy Damtadi Koy the Sister Riba Koy Pamising Don Suyam Soba My Papa and Henloge
All Jiribang Working Journalists Union gi Anoba Executive Body 2018 dagi 2024 ba nauna thau pugadaba miyosing ngarang chahi gi mifam pangthoktuna khankre NG Biswajit na President S Herajit na Vice President A Lukhoi na General Secretary MD Mahin Laskar na Finance Secretary M Romeo na Auditor aduga Advisor oina Advocate KV Roy M Roman Singh amasung T A Sarat Kumar bu khankre Makata na Union Asina Taramdoi Subay Annual Conference Supangthokre Tharungi Sarukamo Oina Ethics of Journalists Amadi Press Release and Press Conference Haibasida Resource Person Oina Imphal Times ki Editor Rinku Kumukcham Amadi Sarat Thokchom na Resource Person Oina Wangang ke Tharamaduda Civil Society Organization Singi Mihu Singh Loinana Jiribam amasung Kasarda ki Lakpa Miyoy Kyasu Sarugya ke Tera Khongsang bi Leimaram Kunogda Safong Duna Leiriba Lining Thogi Chahigi Fizol Hongba Amadi Chano Tamba January 19 da Pangthoknaba Sem Sare Hairi Haukiba January 9 amasung Mapanda Tamenglong District Headquarter da Rongmai Naga People's Organization RNPO na Organization organize tawduna pangthokhiba convention da Jelyangrong khungang singi headman chairman Khunbu Khulak Village Authority ki member sing women organization youth amadi students organization loinana al oirba singna saruk ya ki dabagi damag Jelyangrong Baudi Assam Manipur Nagaland na nungaiba amadi thagat pafongdo rakle convention adu RNPO na Jelyangrong singi marakta tokai tanaba sinba thawongni loinana convention adugi namada yamlaba selfam kaya amasu khongot kre haina organization asigi general secretary Gaini Thoi Gonmaina Maral sirakle All India Tanjim E Insaf Lilong Local Council na Thadorok Pacherol Amana Lilong Kendragi Manung da Lairiba Lambi Thong Kaya Fatre Marilena Authority na Yengsin Biduna Tabak Thoram Singh Paikat Pinaba Councilor Sigi General Secretary na Thadorok Pacherol Amana Kangalakle Hauzik Maroi Bapaumo Thawasi Loiban Naibana Solar Energy da Mieng Thambagi Tangai Fadaba Lairi Haina Governor Dr. Nazma Heptula na Fongdu Kre Kana thombadagi nupa masama lai khidre chenaba driver phade haiduna kakjingda achoba irang thokre amadi social welfare department na piba all as pencil mawong maril tadre sahi sam helabi nupiama pension piram daba thengnare Hoji phabugi oina ISTV na pizaba pamata solution jare mieng tabiri basingba mukahanna khurum jare